Good afternoon, good evening, wherever you might be at. This is Josh Delzell from beautiful, sunny Fort Walton Beach, Florida. Blessed day today. I had a chance to make a new business partner today, and so I told him I'd sit down and make a stage for him. I wanted to show you guys kind of how to do this. For those of you who've never seen staged, please do not use the training that's here in the tabs. That is outdated training. Get with me, one of the leaders of the group, or just watch these videos. They really are doing good. The stage, if you've never been here before, click on Stages on the top tab, and then click on the blue button that says Here to get into the 3.0, the new system that we're using. If you have not grabbed this button, just left click and drag it to your Google toolbar so that you can save it. You'll need it in a little bit. Now what I'm doing today is I'm actually going to be creating a new template, a brand new one. So there's three things when you get into here. One's the group manager, one is the template list, and one is the stage list. So today I'll be creating a template which is in the template list. I'm going to create a new template, and the name of this company that I'm working with today is Doobly. It's a multi-level marketing company. Doobly, D-U-B-L-I. I can change it anytime I want. Watch, I misspelled it. I can just change it like this. Doobly. Okay, save and close. It's a cashback program for people who buy their products online, so a lot of people are getting involved in it right now. Uh, I know that when a template comes out, it only has one side banner and one bottom banner. I know that I'm going to need some more banner space on this particular one because I have a lot of pictures to put on here. And so I'm going to click on Widgets. Everything's color coordinated, so on the below the video, I'd like to put in 2 spots for my other videos. And I would also like to put in 1 banner. On the right hand side, I'd like to put in about 5 banners. So I'll just click that 5 times, and I'm going to want to put on a top banner as well. Okay, and so now that I've got all those added, I'm going to just click the X. I'm not going to worry about the top banner right now. I'm going to worry about these side banners for right this second. So as a banner, you just click on the edit button. Don't worry about the banner URL, but you will need to worry about the maximum height and width. So I'm going to select uploaded hosted banners. And then I already downloaded some information to this file so that it's already just here. I just put all these in here a little bit ago. I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to select this one right here. Okay. I'm going to just right click and I'm just going to paste in. Oh, that didn't work. Let's do this. Here, I'll just cancel that one. Right here is a link that I need. Okay, I'm just going to copy that link, go back to the stage template. I'm just going to do that process one more time just to make it easy for myself. Select. I'm going to go in here to the file that I'd like to select it from. I'm going to select the banner that I want to see there, which it did not do. Okay. So I'm going to click on the upload button. It's going to ask me for a URL. I'm just going to paste that URL in there and you'll see what it looks like when it comes up. Okay. Once it's more appropriately formatted. And you can see how that has now popped up. So now I don't want to leave a banner there though. This particular area right here where Sue, VP of Member Training, I always like to put my bio. That's where I'm going to do self-branding. I like to put that at the very top of the page so that's the first thing that anybody sees. To edit it is very simple. Go in here. I'm going to just put my name there real fast so that I know that I still need to do some things here. I'm going to click on my picture. Always add a picture. And then down below that, make sure and put in your email, Skype, blogs, anything that you do for contact information. Put that right there, okay? I'm not going to do that right now. But now you can see that I have a bio area set up. I have my first banner that has been placed right here. Okay. Now I'm just going to come down the line. I'm going to go to the next banner. I'm going to just repeat and rinse the process. Select upload banner from the folder that I want it to be. I'm going to download this one right here. I'm going to right click. I'm going to paste the banner URL. Oh, did it again. I'll actually just save that correctly. Okay, save. Sorry, you guys. Usually I don't mess up this bad, but it's been a real long day, and I want to make sure that I can get this done correctly for you guys. So save that. Okay, so you can see the banner just pop up right below it. I'm going to go down. I'm going to do it again. Again, rinse and repeat. I know this gets a little repetitive, but you should see how quickly this can be done. Usually I do it much, much faster. I'm a little off my game today. Let's see, the weekly deal, we'll pick this one. That little mistake I made. Alright, save it, and you'll see it pop up. Okay, and then I've got a couple other little banners here I'm going to do this to. And all of this can be changed whenever you want. Let's do this one. Right click, enter my URL. Okay, and it just popped up. We'll do the same thing again. I'm only going to do this one more time, you guys. But this is a template that I'm going to be using, so I'm setting this up for myself, not just for training purposes. I'm going to go ahead and pick on that one. Paste that in there. Save it. Okay, it's starting to look like going on here. I'm going to do one more, and that's the end of those. And I can add or subtract any that I want to, you guys. You really can just put whatever you want in there. Here, we'll check on this one. Okay, paste it in there. Alright, now my recent tweets right here is pretty basic. It's going to show me my recent tweets. I can add multiple accounts to this. Right now I'm just going to use the one account that I know for a fact is up and running. Okay, and that'll save that. Okay, now that kind of completes the right hand side of my website. So I'm going to go back up to the very, very top, and along the left hand side, this call to action, this is just a little pop on people's videos. When they look at the video, it'll actually pop up on them. And I'm just going to put hello everyone, and I will change that later. So we can see an example of how it works here in a minute. I'm going to paste that custom. I'm going to put that at 5 seconds into the video. 5 seconds into the video is where that's going to pop up, and it's going to look like this. Hello, everyone. All right, so save that. Okay, now right here, this template, this is where the video is going to go. So until you put a video there, it will say template. Don't worry about that section. You want that to say template. So here's a banner right here, but I'm not going to, I actually would like to put my other videos right below this video that we're sharing. So I'm just going to move that up. I'm going to edit it. I'm going to edit the name of this. Check out my top viewed. I'm going to put quotation marks around it because I love quotation marks for some reason. Quotation marks and exclamation points. I love them. So check out my top viewed videos. I'm going to go where there's 5 across, and I'm going to actually go into my group manager. This is my groups, and I can show you that some other time, but most viewed, and I'm going to hit save, and you'll see how they'll just pop up right there. These are my most viewed videos. And then on the next one down, I'm going to put, this is a banner, and so again, you'll have to have a banner that fits the appropriate size for this. I'm not sure if I do or don't right now. I'm going to go down and check. Let's see. I don't have any that are a valid size for that. That's okay. I can create those banners later. It's just the same exact way as doing it on the other one. This is another video one that I put right there. So now when you look down my website that I've just created, on the top, it'll have my information and the video, and then as you scroll down, there's a lot of clickable content on the right hand side that's all real nice and sized correctly so that it doesn't look weird. And then as far as banners go, I'm going to put a banner here, and I'm going to put a banner here. But I'm actually going to move this banner up. And so now it'll be banner. These are Facebook comments. I don't even care what people are saying about it. I'm just going to delete that area so that it's not there. And then right here, this is a fully editable area. And so you guys have to understand that fully editable. You can put videos there. You can put anything, pictures, anything you want. For now, I'm just going to erase what comes stock there so I don't have to look at it. Okay. Okay, that's gone. Okay, now what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to take from their website. I want to take this information from their website, and we'll go right down to about here. And you have to cut or copy that into this. You can't use your right click and copy. It will not work for that area. And so we're going to go back over to this area. I'm going to just Control C and put it back in that spot if it'll work right. So it's Control V, I mean. Okay. Now I'm going to clean some of this up, of course. Some of this stuff I don't need. For instance, like this right here. I don't need any of this stuff. How to connect with them on Facebook? I'd like to know where that's at and how to do that. So that looks pretty tight right there. Okay. Let's see. Okay, that looks all pretty tight right there. Okay. Now the last thing that I want to do to that particular area is I'm going to just I've got a link here that I need to look real quick. There's a couple links that I'm working with. Interview with Terry Bradshaw. These are all links for that particular company right here that I want to use in their advertising. And so I'm going to, again, just Control C it. I'm going to copy it. I'm going to come down here. And I'm just going to Control V it into place. And then I'll be able to actually work with these. I'll be able to actually use these. The other thing that you guys can do, understand this part, is when you have real nice videos to use, like I could go get a picture of Terry Bradshaw and then use that picture of Terry Bradshaw and say, see what Terry Bradshaw says about this particular company. You want to use those marketing tools that are offered by the company. And so for right now, you can see that it's not perfect, don't get me wrong, but this website is already pretty close to going, and it's only been a few minutes. I'm not sure, I'm not on that screen, but you can see how quickly I've transformed just a real blank thing into a real functional website. And so we're going to use that as an example for now. I'm obviously going to do the last couple things later, but here's what we do with that website. Once we have that website built, go into Google+, actual Google+. In the search bar for Google+, type in just a hashtag. Just type in a hashtag. And then what will happen is it'll pull up these trending videos. You can see that these are trending videos. These are the top 10 trending videos on Google+ that day based on hashtags. So for me, iPhone 6 Plus is something that I know is real hot in the market right now. And so then I take that Google+ recommendation and I go into YouTube. Okay, I go into YouTube. Let's just start a new tab. And then I go into YouTube. Okay. And it was iPhone 6 Plus. And we're going to see what comes up about that particular video. iPhone 6 trailer. It's a 6-minute video. That would be fine for me. I'm going to just click on that particular video. I'm just going to pause the video because I don't want to hear it or whatever. No, right a second at least. And then now I have the video here on my screen. You can see all the YouTube stuff around it. This is all just basic YouTube screen. It's funny. It looks a lot like the website I just built. Well, let's make sure and put it there. So while I'm on the screen, I'm just going to hit Stage It Beta. You guys probably won't be able to see this part of my screen, and that's okay. I can train you on that part, but I'm actually just going to put it into the Doobly template that we had created. It's just a very easy click to do that. And then when I do that, you can see how it looks now. So this is that same video, and it has my information around it with all the clickable links to get involved. So that's a pretty powerful tool, you guys. That's a pretty powerful tool. Now what I can do is I'm connected to the social media side of this as well, so what I do is I can actually just automatically post it to all my social media sites. A little bit later tonight I will actually post this out to my social media sites. But that is just how easy it is to create a website when you're using the Staged program. And that's a brand new one that I'll be using coming up. As soon as I get the final little touches done to that, I'll actually send it out for people to see and use. So I hope that I've helped a little bit, and just let me know if there's anything else that I can do to help you guys out in the near future. Josh Delzell signing out.